Good morning from Quartzsite, Arizona. It's currently the middle of December. This is our second year here in Quartzsite, and we often get asked how busy does Quartzsite really get. So our hope and our plan is to show you weekly videos of how this town of Quartzsite goes from 2,500 to 3,000 and then booms up to 1 million people during peak season, which is usually middle of January for the RV show and the RTR, the Rubber Tramp Rendezvous. My goal is going to be to show you via Dashcam as well as drone footage. It'd be really neat to see the community swell and all the spots fill up with RVs and then slowly descend. So I hope you'll join us for that, and stay tuned. Subscribe and like and comment if you want to support our adventures. Hi, so we've had a few requests for the long format video, the full tour video of the big tent, Tyson Wells, and the 4 different LTVAs to be divvied up into smaller videos, a video per section. So I'm open to trying that. I'm gonna give it a go. We'll break up the December 11th tour into different quadrants and sections and different videos, so they'll be shorter. However, I will still produce the long format content right now with the full tour all in one video. When I do that, I do separate it with timestamps, which you can either fast forward to or look in the description of the video and click to exactly whether you want the dash cam of an area, the drone footage of an area. So there's still that option, so you don't, all the different videos don't get lost in the interweb for you. But we'll see how this goes. Okay. So let's go check out La Posa South. Oh, these roads are way better this year. Actual speed bumps. More ambulances. School bus. This is the Pull Boy Honeypot dump station here in Quartzsite, La Posa South. Driving the main road right now through La Posa South, but all sorts of side roads that people venture off onto. It's pretty neat. There's pit toilets scattered throughout. Last year this road was pretty bumpy. A lot of potholes and stuff that had developed. This is really smooth. This is really nice. bet you the people who camp along this road are very thankful for the decrease in dust. So this is where the lineup before the dump station for your RVs is. During peak season, this lineup could be way back past here. We don't have a gray tank to dump, so it's not really a problem for us. And then to the left of it is their garbage bins. This is the dump station. So when you get a pass here, you have free access to the dump stations, to the garbage. There is also water fill stations right there. There's a few of them there. And then also on the other side of the road, there's a few more. And this is where you can get your water from. The nice thing about the LTVA pass is that even though you've paid for the 7 months, you can come and go as you please. There's no reservations of sites here. If you don't like your neighbors, you can pack up and move. If you want to go check out other campgrounds, other campsites, you want to take off to Vegas or Phoenix for the day, or whatever you choose, you can. And you can just simply come back. So it's using the LTVA is really great as a home base as well. You always know you have somewhere to park. Look at that thing. That is nice. Love seeing the different setups. And of course you have the lit cactus up here. We'll go visit that, probably on the winter solstice, I'm thinking. My understanding is it's a guy who came here one year and literally lit up a cactus with a spotlight or Christmas lights or something, and now it's just a big social area. Like every Friday they open it up. He opens up his camping area for other people to come join. So, yeah. Let's do a little circle here. This road keeps going and going. If you keep following it, you'll actually end up. In the magic circle area, which happens to be a clothing optional area. We spent a couple days there last year, and they are some very friendly folks. They're very nice people, very welcoming, and yeah, but it's optional. There is truly something here for everyone in Quartzsite. Last year we even saw signs for church services that were being held. There's events in town for bingo, for rock hounds, to, well, you name it. There's so many things to do here. Swing by it real quick. Big drive through. This is where the lit cactus is. I believe they have drum circles and winter solstice and spring solstice events here. Yeah, all sorts of music nights. There it is. There's the famous cactus. I actually find this place on Google Maps. So this is one guy's campsite, and everyone sits around and has a big bonfire. They all pitch in and donate and bring wood. And yeah, so each to their own. That's some people's cup of tea, and that's not other people's cup of tea. And that's the wonderful thing about Quartzsite, is you have the flexibility to find what interests you and what doesn't interest you. And there is enough space here to separate yourself, if you choose, from the type of things you're not interested in. If you're not into the clothing optional, well, just don't camp in the magic circle. If you're, yeah. Oh, there's that thing again. There is people from all over the continent. There is, you name it. I don't even know. We've barely even scratched the surface of Quartzsite last year. Kind of stuck to ourselves and relaxed a lot. But this year we're really hoping to get out more. experience more of what Quartzsite in the area has to offer. We're hoping to make videos and take you all along for the journey. So there's the fill stations again. Coming back on the main road. It's a dump station for your garbage. And of course your sewer. Oh, there's that rig. It's on this side. Yes. That is awesome. Oh, look at that amazing solar setup. That person is set up. Almost take flight with that thing. Wow. Another scamp off there in the distance. Very nice. Setup. There's so many different things, so many different setups. I'm seriously considering adding a component to my YouTube videos and doing tours of people's setups. Just because it's so fascinating and there's so much to learn from other people and different ways to see things. So if you're seeing this video and you're interested, give me a shout. Maybe something I start pursuing. I think it'd be absolutely fascinating, and there's got to be other people out there that are just as fascinated as I am with just this lifestyle and how people do it and why they choose to be in what they are in and what they like about it and just everything. Alright, let's get the drone up. Let's go right here. Looks like as good of a spot.